Love it. What a nice little 48 Pontiac. This is a Silver Streak 8. This is beautiful. Well, I love the pontoon fenders. Look at the way it flows into the door. That was a big innovation of General Motors and Harley Earl. The fastback design is still in a coupe. Look at that B-post. Wow, that's gorgeous, just gorgeous. I always love all that. Is that great? Full instrumentation. Wow. You can see the back.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, it's a Fisher body.
That was a windshield wiper. That is so cool. I love the paraphernalia you have in the back. That's great.
Oh yeah,
that is great. Yeah. So, how long did it take you to restore the car?
Probably about 6 years.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
Off and on, but 6 years, 7 years.
Did a great job with it.
Thank
She's
you.
looking good.
Thank you.
She's looking real good. Now, what got you into Pontiac?
Well, this is the first car I ever bought.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I just kind of naturally stayed with it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you were 16?
Actually, I got this car when I was 16, but I did not have my license till I was 17. So a couple months later, I was able to get it on the road. Yeah.
Oh, that is great. That is great.
Yep.
And you drove it ever since, huh?
Well, I drove for about 2 or 3 years, and then I was able to put it away. I did not keep it up, so I put it away, and then I say about 10 or 12 years ago, maybe not even that long, I started to restore it.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful. What was the most difficult thing you encountered with restoration?
Doing all the body work. Actually, the body was in good shape, but time-wise, getting it primered and ready to paint was unbelievably long.
Yeah, a lot of patience.
Yeah, you paint, you sand it off. You paint, you sand it off. It took forever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's great.
But it was worth it.
Oh, she came out beautiful.
I think, yeah.
Just beautiful. And so cool that you still have her after all of these years.
Right.
So when you were 16, let's see, that was what, 20 years ago?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah. We'll stick with that. That's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Thank you very much.
All right. Yeah, no problem.
Just beautiful. I love hearing stories like that and seeing cars like this. What do they call this?